So another piece to think about, and we're going to carry on as we're moving in, bettering position 2. So one of the things that I think is super important, and this is for width and this is for setting up our arm structure as we start to move up further into our motion. And what we're going to talk about is the seam line of our body. So what that would be, if I had an alignment stick here, that's going to be the line that's running up my shirt from here to here. Here's what I like to see from that position, especially with the trail arm. I always want to see the trail arm staying on or slightly in front of seam line from position 1 to position 2. One of the big faults that I see a lot of people have is they let these arms separate and this right arm starts to move back in behind seam line. And what that does from a face-on standpoint is we start to lose all of our width, and that's when people start to just pick the club up to the top, or they continue rolling it inside, and then that momentum can carry them over the top or whatever flaw it might be. So one of the good ways to do this, we're in our uppercut punch curl position here with our arm. We're going to keep that here, turn to one piece, have a little bit of upward hinge, and we're going to continue to work that up our motion from position 2 to position 3. So this is one of the things, really focus on that. Make sure that this right arm stays on to in front of seam line slightly so that we can set ourselves up to hit really good shots. Just like that.